Good morning, class. Today we will deal with a new topic, accuracy and precision. Okay, in physics, measurement is the basic thing. Without measurement, we are not going to perform any of the activity in physics. That's why we are dealing with this topic in a different way, that is accuracy and precision, and with the same thing, we will move further for error. So, what is accuracy? See the definition. Accuracy is a measure of how close the measured value is to the true value of quantity. Okay, for example, we are measuring the length of a pen. Okay, and its true length is 6.2342 inch. Okay, and this is true length which is given for you, that this is the true length, and you have to measure the length again by a scale which is in your instrument box. Okay, so one student have measured 6.22 and one have measured 6.25. so which is the correct one, 6.22 or 6.25? Which is the closest value to the true value? That is 6.22. 6.22 is the close value to this value. 6.25 is greater. So the accurate value is 6.22. This is accurate because this measurement you have taken is close to the true value. Now comes to precision. And what is precision? Precision depends on the least count of the instrument, that up to what resolution we are measuring. What is resolution? See, example I have given. One instrument I have measured that the data is 6.31251 up to 1 2 3 4 5 places of decimal, and one student have measured the data as 6.321, which is more precise. No matter, it is not accurate because there is a great difference between this value, but the number of decimal places are larger in comparison to this one and this one, means the resolution is higher for 6.31251. तो जहाँ पे रिजोल्यूशन हाई होने का मतलब कि डेसिमल से ज़्यादा प्लेसेस अगर हमने क्वांटिटी को मेजर किया है तो वो डेटा क्या होगा, हमारा प्रिसाइज्ड होगा, और जो डेटा ट्रू वैल्यू के आसपास पहुँच रहा होगा वो डेटा क्या होगा, एक्यूरेट होगा. प्रिसाइज और एक्यूरेसी में कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. प्रिसीजन डिपेंड्स ऑन लिमिट ऑफ रिजोल्यूशन, दैट इज लीस्ट काउंट, that is for more number of places, for more number of decimal places we are calculating the observation, then that data is precise and this data is accurate. I think you have been cleared through the difference between accuracy and precision. Accuracy means the data must be close to the true value, that's all. And precision means the data must have more number of resolution, means more number of numbers written here after number of decimal places, then only the data will be called as precise data. So this is more precise, or we can say precise value it is, and this is accurate. Okay, so that's all about accuracy and precision, and the difference between accurate data and true value, that is observed value and true value, will give you error. So what is error? Error is true value minus observed value. This is known as error, and in next lecture we will discuss the types of error.